Hi, I'm Shirley. I'm the internal trainer at Tribeca Technology. In today's video, I'm going to run through some Windows shortcuts that you can use in Windows 11. So the first shortcut I'm going to be running through is the Windows key. Pressing the Windows key just brings up the main menu and allows you to search for any applications or settings that you need to access. The next Windows shortcut is Windows A. Selecting Windows A brings up the quick settings menu that allows you to access the Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, or even the battery settings so you can see how much battery you have remaining. Outside of the quick settings, you can press Windows I. This brings up the main settings menu where you can browse accounts, applications, personalization, networking, or even Windows updates. Another shortcut is Windows D. This allows you to minimize the desktop but also maximize from it. So in this instance, I've got Microsoft Edge open. Pressing Windows D allows me to go to the desktop. However, I want to go back into Microsoft Edge. It allows me to press Windows D again, and I can access it once more. The next shortcut is Windows N. This brings up the notification center, so I can view any notifications I've received, also the calendar. The next Windows shortcut is Windows K. This brings up the casting menu that allows you to connect into any wireless displays, whether that be a monitor or even a TV. The next Windows icon is Windows E. This brings up the File Explorer and allows you to browse any files, whether that be on your desktop, documents, pictures, or even in the video section. The next Windows shortcut is Windows H. This brings up the voice typing menu that allows you to record anything you would like Windows to type. The next shortcut is Windows L. If you need to step away from your desktop, this allows you to lock your PC and it remains secure. The next Windows icon is Windows M. This minimises any open tabs that you might have open, whether that be Microsoft Edge, File Explorer. So in this instance, I have multiple tabs open. Pressing Windows M will minimise them all. And to revert that, you can press Windows Shift M and it will return everything to the state that it was before. The next shortcut is Windows Comma. This allows you to peek at the desktop, viewing anything that you might have in the background. Then upon releasing the Windows key, this will return it to its normal state. Thanks for watching this video. For more videos like this, please visit our YouTube channel.